Hello everybody, how are you? Today I will show heavy popular products, best-selling products, Fire TV strip with Alexa voice, remote, includes TV, controls, free and live TV without cable or satellite HD streaming device. Details of this product: 50% more powerful than the previous generation for last streaming in full HD, include Alexa voice remote with power and volume buttons. Stream more than 1 million movies and TV episodes from Netflix, Prime Video, Disney, Peacock and more. Plus listen to millions of songs. Subscription fees may apply. Watch your favorite live TV, news and sports with subscription to Sling TV, YouTube TV and others. Use the guide buttons to see what's available and when. Access over 2 lakhs free movies and TV episodes from popular ad-supported streaming apps like Freevee TV, Pluto TV and more. Listen on Amazon Music, Spotify, Pandora and others. Subscription fees may apply. Alexa voice remote lets you use your voice to search and launch shows across apps. All new preset buttons get you to favorite apps quickly, plus control power and volume on your TV and soundbar with a single remote. Feel skins come to life with the immersive Dolby Atmos audio on select titles with compatible home audio systems. Plug in behind your TV, turn on the TV and connect to the internet to get set up. Now I will show customer reviews. 4.7 out of 5, 3,90,000. 268 global ratings. 5 star 83%, 4 star 11%, 3 star 3%, 2 star 1%, 1 star 3%. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscription button, press the bell icon and customer review. Check out the description to find the product links.